question 38. Okay, so question 38 is actually testing you on the topic on metals, and actually the concept is actually the reactions that are occurring in a blast furnace when we are actually extracting iron from iron 3 oxide or hematite. Okay, so which statement about the production of iron from iron oxide in a blast furnace it is correct? So, oh, why is the color like that? Okay, so I've actually taken the liberty to write down the 5 reactions that is occurring in the blast furnace. The first one is when we are producing carbon dioxide gas by reacting coke with hot air, oxygen from hot air. Okay, so carbon dioxide is formed, which in turn react with more carbon to produce carbon monoxide. Okay, carbon monoxide is actually the VIP in your blast furnace reaction. It is going to act as a reducing agent. All right, so if it's acting as a reducing agent, it will react with iron 3 oxide and form iron metal with carbon dioxide gas. Okay, that is the third reaction. The last two reactions, reaction 4 and reaction 5, this is actually the removal of a certain impurity in your blast furnace. Okay, so do revise these equations. It's very useful when you are answering questions about extraction of iron in blast furnace. All right, so let's take a look at the options given. Option A, molten iron floats on slag at the furnace base. So here I've already drawn a diagram. Okay, the one in the middle here. The red one, guess what? This is actually your molten iron. And molten iron, since it is below your slag, okay, because it is denser than molten slag. Hence, option A is false. Okay, it is wrong. A is out. Statement B, iron is obtained using carbon monoxide as an oxidizing agent. Okay, it is true that iron is obtained using carbon monoxide. It is correct until this part. However, carbon monoxide, it is not. It is not acting as an oxidizing agent. It is actually acting as a reducing agent. Okay, correct. All right, so B is out. Iron is obtained using carbon monoxide as a reducing agent, not an oxidizing agent. We look at C, option C. Iron oxide, it is reduced by carbon dioxide. Iron oxide, it is reduced to iron. However, it is not by carbon dioxide. It is by carbon monoxide, CO. Okay, refer to reaction or equation number 3. Okay, carbon monoxide is the one that's reacting with your iron 3 oxide and not carbon dioxide gas. So C is false. This means that D is correct. So why is D correct? Reaction between iron oxide and carbon monoxide liberates carbon dioxide. Okay, they are mentioned correctly. The reaction between iron oxide and carbon monoxide liberates carbon dioxide. This is a true statement. Okay, you again refer to reaction or equation 3. Carbon dioxide is evolved during the reduction process from iron 3 oxide to iron with carbon monoxide as the reducing agent. Hence, the answer for this question is D. Okay,